Welcome back to Shipstorm TV. Today, get ready for chaos unleashed on the open sea, where steel giants collide, waves rise like monsters, and disaster strikes without mercy. These aren't just accidents. They're catastrophic moments frozen in time. Buckle up, because what you're about to witness will leave you breathless. A massive container ship collides with a tanker in the North Sea. Water explodes skyward, steel groans under crushing impact, and the thunderous crash echoes across the waves. Pure chaos, raw power, a heart-stopping moment you'll never forget. A Japanese vessel rams straight into an American ship. Metal screams. The bow shatters into fragments. Waves explode on impact. The chaos is unrelenting. The destruction absolute. And in this frozen instant, one truth remains. This is catastrophic. Off the coast of Portugal, a chemical tanker is tossed like a rag doll. Towering 30-foot waves slam the deck. Steel shrieks under unbearable pressure. Every surge threatens to tear it apart. This isn't just a storm. It's pure survival against the abyss. In the North Sea, colossal waves rip open a Greek vessel. Its hull shatters as desperate sailors scream over the radio. Chaos echoes across the storm. The ocean has claimed giants before, and with merciless certainty, it will again. The captain drifts past a giant safety first sign, irony in motion. His neglect sets the stage for chaos. One missed decision at sea isn't just careless, it's catastrophic. And tonight, that carelessness carries a deadly price. Metal screams as the vessel slams a hidden reef, its hull splitting open like paper. Seawater surges inside, swallowing everything in its path. This isn't an accident anymore. It's a countdown to disaster no one can stop. One crash triggers another. Ships collide in a chain reaction of chaos. Sirens blare, steel bends, panic erupts. It's a maritime crash bingo card, or as I'd call it, like Wisconsin drivers suddenly unleashed in Miami traffic. One second it's pure fun, then chaos erupts. Boats flip, kayaks vanish, jet skis collide in brutal force. Laughter turns to screams as the water claims control. What started as play becomes a desperate fight to survive. And then, madness on deck. A wild release tuna stunt, a prank gone wrong, disaster in seconds. Like I always say, that, kids, is what happens when you let your intrusive thoughts win. A perfect storm of danger and dark comedy. He struts in his sharp suit, showing off his brand new jet ski. Confidence at full throttle until the ocean humbles him in seconds. One slip, one crash, and his pride face plants harder than the waves themselves. A speedboat tears across the water, unstoppable, untouchable, until it flips in an instant. The group is thrown like ragdolls into chaos. At high speed, there's no mercy. The sea doesn't forgive arrogance.
चालू होती हो ना बत्ती कौन थी
Cut from champagne and laughter on a luxury yacht to the horror of a vessel capsizing. Overconfidence, I remind you. The fastest way to turn a sunny day into disaster. The ocean always delivers the punchline. Hello friends, this is Shipstorm TV. Out at sea, danger strikes when storms rage. Captains lose focus, or a single mistake ripples into disaster. Tonight, brace yourself for the most epic, jaw-dropping ship accidents ever caught on camera. Collisions, groundings, and chaos unleashed by nature's fury. Let's dive straight into the storm.
Mm. Ja.
Richards Bay, South Africa. Disaster strikes. The massive cargo ship smart runs aground, tearing apart in brutal fashion. Waves smash against her broken hull as chaos unfolds. This is no ordinary accident. It's a jaw-dropping split at sea. Far out in the South Atlantic, the bulk carrier MS Oliva slams into Nightingale Island, one of the world's most vital bird sanctuaries. Steel groans, waves roar, and nature's paradise faces devastation. A remote grounding with catastrophic consequences. New York City, 2025, chaos on the East River. Mexico's tall trading ship Cuauhtémoc loses control and slams into the Brooklyn Bridge. Masts snap, sailors plunge, screams echo. Tragedy strikes with lives lost and many injured in this shocking maritime disaster.
Oh my God.
Canada's Welland Canal. Disaster in motion. A massive ship strikes with unstoppable force, sending a bridge collapsing into the water below. Metal twists, concrete crumbles, and stunned witnesses gasp. In seconds, a vital crossing is reduced to shattered ruin. Barcelona's busy port, sudden terror. A massive vessel veers off course, barreling toward the docks. Cranes topple, alarms blare, workers scatter in panic. Steel meets concrete with earth-shaking impact. An ordinary day turns into a catastrophic maritime nightmare. In the deadly waters between the Philippines and China, the cargo giant RTS Pioneer battles a monstrous typhoon. Waves tower like skyscrapers, winds scream with hurricane fury, and the ship fights for survival. One wrong move means certain doom at sea. A timber-laden freighter faces nature's fury. Towering waves slam its deck as hurricane winds howl. Logs shift dangerously. The vessel groans under pressure, every surge threatening to capsize her. In this raging storm, survival hangs by a splintered thread.
С конца лопаться буду, смотрите! Охуеть! Ебанешь надо!
Off the stormy coast of Wales and into the treacherous Bay of Biscay, an oil tanker is hammered by raging seas. Waves crash over her bow, winds tear across the decks, every moment a battle to prevent catastrophe and environmental disaster. A massive liquefied gas tanker reels violently as a furious storm strikes. The vessel tilts at terrifying angles, decks awash, crew clinging for life. One more lurch and disaster could erupt. Fire, explosion, and tragedy waiting to consume the sea. In the open sea, chaos strikes. A fisherman is hurled overboard while hauling nets. Waves crash, crews scream, and every second counts. Desperate hands reach, ropes fly, as the raging ocean threatens to claim another life in its merciless grip. In a shocking collision, a Japanese vessel charges straight into a U.S. ship like a runaway bulldozer. Steel grinds against steel, sparks fly, alarms blare. An unstoppable force smashing through everything in its path. A catastrophic maritime crash unfolds.
はい、スティーブライン体当たりしました。
And there it is, the haunting truth of the seas. Disasters strike from raging storms or human mistakes. No matter how advanced our ships, technology can't tame the ocean's fury. Out here, man must remain humble because the sea always has the final word. If you crave more breathtaking battles between steel and storm, don't miss a single moment. Subscribe now to Shipstorm TV, where the ocean writes its fiercest stories.